Hi, Peanut. What you doing? Are you playing outside? Hi. Yeah. Is that snow? Yay! You're almost 13 months. Finally a nice day to be outside. Is that your shovel? Is that from Grandma? That's for the sand, but we're going to improvise. Yeah. Show Mama. What do you have? Hi. Hi, sweets. Oh, no. Yucky. We already tried that. Oh. Wow, you're going to town. Look at you. Woo! Is that cold, Maddie? Bird, it's so cold. Yeah. It's so cold. Where are you going? Be careful. Huh? Is that a kitty? Yeah, kitty. Okay, say bye-bye to Mama. Oh, steps. Okay, look over here once. Say happy spring.